guys, so today we're going to be doing blooket, blizzard pack unboxing. So if you go in here, I already got a bit of them, but we're going to try to get Santa, but there's new promos. It's Holiday Elf, the Cozy Penguin. So it's basically, wait 1 second. It's basically a reskin of this, but like there's a hat, and then it replaces with the coat, yeah, and then the other ones basically just a baby penguin, but like with a Santa hat. So yeah, it's kind of it's mid. It's just a reskin. But anyways, yeah. So if I don't get Santa in a couple hours, I'm gonna do another video. 3, 2, 1. Ooh, epic! Let's go! Lock in. Ooh, gingerbread. Another epic! Okay. Sister. Wow. Now I just need the hot chocolate and the Santa. So wow. Basically got some of my tokens back. Little pack. Knocking. Knocking again. Knocking again, what? Okay. Better get something good. My god. That's autistic. That's autistic! Okay. One more. Okay, a hot chocolate. Okay. So now, wait, I have 4 stockings. I forgot. I have 1 more. Another hot chocolate. Wait, what? Oh. Okay, so I'm gonna be making a part 2 in like 2 hours. So, 2 hours. 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 2 ho subscribe. And I don't know how to edit, like, to make it a video. So I'll make another video in a couple hours.